Okay. Good evening. This is the Blessedman. Today, I want to talk to you about save poor people. The amount you are seeing in your wallet, in your trust wallet, is it real? Can you withdraw the money to your bank account? This is what I want to show you today. This is what we're going to talk about. So, this evening, I just visited my trust wallet. And I saw this in my trust wallet. I saw this and I was like, wow, what's going on? So I saw 26,635,639.71 in my trust wallet. And then when I checked, I saw it was World Save Poor People WSPP that have pumped it right. So I was like, wow, what is going on here? What is going on? So I quickly began to make some research to find out if this is actually true. I wanted to find out if this is actually true. So I quickly went to CoinMarketCap. First and foremost, I visited the websites. I visited this website, and this is the website for this particular coin, this particular token. So you can see everything you need to know about this particular coin is in this website. So the coin is real, very, very real. So I went down and I discovered they have done a lot of things. They have completed their audits. They have bought some of these tokens, about 64% of them have been bought. The more you burn your token, the more the more value your token will have. And then also I went on to see where these coins have been listed. CoinMarketCap is there, CoinGecko is there, Hotbit is there, PancakeSwap, IndoS is there, ES Guru is there. So you can see that a lot of places this coin is actually listed. So I visited the CoinMarketCap. I went to CoinMarketCap and I quickly check up this particular coin, this CoinGecko. Let me go to CoinMarketCap. I went to CoinMarketCap to check out this coin, and I discovered that this coin is actually here. You can see all these pumps that happened in this CoinMarketCap. You can see that this is where Trust Wallet picked their figure from, the value of this particular token. You can agree with me. That okay, if I have this money, wow, I think this is about 13 point something billion naira. If I change it, so it's a huge money. So it aroused my curiosity, and I began to make research about it. So this is it here in CoinMarketCap. So I begin to ask myself, so if this is actually in CoinMarketCap, it means that. So how do I get this money? How do I swap this token? How do I actually, lay hands on this particular money? So I began to make up. And then what I discovered was that the price in CoinMarketCap, this is 0.0033124. You can see this is the price here. It's a lot of money. Go to other exchanges. For instance, CoinGecko Gecko, you discover this is what the price is: 0.000000000014, which is 9 zeros. So you can see from here, this is what the price of this coin is right now. I think I visited Dex Guru. This is Dex Guru, and in Dex Guru also I discovered that the price of this coin is very, very similar to what we have in CoinGecko. That is the price is very, very low compared to what we are seeing in CoinMarketCap. So look at this. If you want to get 1 USDT, you can. The value of this 1 USDT is 5,804,094,668 $. This is the price. So that is actually what this is actually worth. That is what this is actually worth. So you find out that with this, I think I visited another. This one did not open. Okay, I began to make other research, and then I just is real, but this price you are is not real. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened in their algorithm, or maybe something just happened. It could be that there is a strange unpopular exchange that actually have this price in it. As to find out, and if I can get any exchange where this is boom right there to change my worth. You can see I have about 80 billion. I have about 80 billion worth of this. 80 billion 625 million. That is actually what I have in this place. So I'm still. So guys, what it means is that we are hoping that one day this particular coin we are talking about can get to this price. There is a lot of, one thing you must be sure of is that there is a lot of activities that is going on in this coin. There's a lot of activities, trading activities in different exchanges. Like in WorldGecko, you can see in coin volume of trade. This is the volume. Let me show you. For this particular coin, you can see the increase. You can see the increase we have here, despite that it is low, but the increase is very, 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 very high. You can see it moved from 40 to 238. So there is actually an increase, and if it continues like this, it means that something good. Let me see what the value of my this is. 625 million. So this is actually what is worth now, based on this price here, is worth 14.8 US dollar. You know, it's 26 million that you are seeing there. But we hope that one day this coin is going to become something that will actually give us money. So guys, if you have this coin, do not lose hope. Keep an eye on it. One day is going to give us the type of money that we are expecting. Just keep your fingers crossed keep on checking. Let's see what will happen. The admin of this particular token has not said anything about this price pump in coin market cap. So we are watching and we are seeing. Let us see what is going to happen, and at the end of the day we will all know how this coin is going to be valuable. So thank you for watching me. For those of you who are expecting a video from me on how you can actually cash this money, this is what I've got for you. That's the research I've made, and that is the much I know for now. Keep your eye on your coin. Keep on taking airdrops, because you do not know which of the airdrop is actually going to make you rich tomorrow. So keep taking advantage of airdrops. One day, boom, it's going to happen like this. Visit your wallet and you see that you have become a billionaire or you have become a millionaire. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and share this video for as many that are eagerly looking for. Thank you very much for listening. Please watch other of our videos, and then subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that each time I drop a video you can actually see it and enjoy the videos that I'm sending every day. Thank you one more time. This is the Blessed Man.